Hi everyone, today we're going to walk you through the process of adding customer data in Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along. Begin by clicking on the Contacts section of your application or platform. Next, look for the option labeled Import Contacts and click on it to start the import process. You will see several options for importing your contacts. Choose the one that best fits your needs and click Continue. For this example, we will select Import from a file. Click on this option to proceed. You can either select your file from your computer or drag and drop it into the designated area on the screen. Once you've selected your file, click on Confirm your file to ensure it's ready for import. Next, you will need to map your data fields, such as first name, last name, email, etc., to the corresponding fields in the platform. This step ensures that all your information is correctly organized. After mapping your data, click on Confirm Mapping to finalize this step. Choose the list where you want to add your imported contacts. If you don't have an existing list, you may need to create one. Once you've made your selection, click on Confirm List to proceed. Review your choices and click on Confirm Import to begin the process. After a brief moment, you will receive a notification indicating that your import was completed successfully. That's it. Your contacts are now imported and ready to use. If you encounter any issues, double-check the file format and mapping options. Thanks for watching.